Hi, how are you everyone? Welcome back to my lovely channel. For your information, this video was created on April 10, 2018, 20 of hour, 39 of minute, and 13 of second. In this lovely day, we are going to explain something. The thing is the air fryer dishwasher safe? In the next few seconds you will get a short information about is the air fryer dishwasher safe. Hopefully it will help you. Enjoy the video. Here is the explanation about is the air fryer dishwasher safe. Dishwasher safe parts for a quick and easy cleanup. The removable non-stick coated drawer and the food basket are dishwasher safe for a quick and easy cleanup. Philips air fryer with rapid air technology saves you and your home from the smell of fried oil compared to a regular fryer. Now, we will give you 20 seconds to read again the explanation by yourself so you can absorb this information. Please take your time.
Hi, that's all of the explanation. If you find this video helpful, please like and comment on this video and subscribe this channel. Thank you, and see you again in another video. Goodbye.